3D 4-head CNC wood router machine. Multi-spindle drill head, 3D 4-head CNC wood router machine, multi-spindle wood carving machine. Item specifics. Brand name of tech. CNC or not CNC. Condition new model. Number, AKM 1325 4H4R. Spindle: 3.0 kW water cooling spindle / 3.5 kW, 5.5 kW, 6 kW option. Guide rails: Taiwan high-wind square guide rails. Working area: 1300 by 2500 by 200 Control system: Mach 3 control system with USB port. Voltage: 380V/220 volts, 50Hz/60 Hz, 1/3 phase. Inverter: Fulling inverters. Transmission: Taiwan TBI ball screw transmission. Driving mode: stepper motor and drivers. Features of 3D 4-head CNC wood router machine. 1 integrally cast lathe bed, solid and stable, high rigidity and high accuracy. 2 imported high accuracy ball screw ensures more stable movement and high accuracy. 3 water cooling spindle, low noise, vigorous cutting strength and long time mass processing. 4 compatible software, open style software interface. Our software is compatible with Type 3/Artcom/Castmate/UG and many other kinds of CAD/CAM software. Can change the working file into G-code. Guarantee that the design does not have the barrier. Machine parameters of 3D 4-head CNC wood router machine. Items. Parameters. Working areas. X-axis 1,300 mm. Y-axis 2,500 mm. Z-axis 200 mm. Transmission. Systems. X-axis gear and rack. Y-axis gear and rack. Z-axis C5 class TBI ball screw drive. Guide rails. System. X-axis square guide rail. Y-axis square guide rail. Z-axis square guide rail. Spindle. Power 3.0 kW 4 pieces. Speed 24,000 revolutions per minute. Cooling type. Water cooling. Origin: Shandong, China. Drive systems. X. Stepper motor with driver. Y. 2-stepper motor with driver. Z. Stepper motor with driver. Servo motors and drivers optional. Panasonic, Yaskawa. Working tape. Vacuum table / T-slot table. Machine body. Welded structure steel pipe. Software environment. Windows 98/2000/XP/Win7. Control systems. Mach 3 controller / DSP control system. Compatible files format. G-code, UOO, G, PLT. Compatible software. You can Cambate/Type 3/Artcom/CAD/Paint. Working voltage. AC 220V/5060 Hz 1 phase. Max travel speed 8 meters per minute. Max engraving speed 5 meters per minute. Dust absorption. Dust collector optional.